Hey everyone, welcome back to Step-by-Step How-To Guides. Today we're going old school with a classic but often underestimated craft, paper airplanes. I'm going to show you how to make the absolute best paper airplane that will soar through the air like a pro. Let's get folding. Step 1. Introduction to materials. Before we dive into the folding magic, let's talk about the materials you'll need. Grab a piece of letter-size paper, the standard 8.5 by 11 inches. You don't need anything fancy, just a plain sheet will do the trick. Step 2. Folding the basic shape. Let's start by folding the paper in half lengthwise. Ensure the edges align perfectly, and then make a crisp crease. Now unfold it and bring the top edges to meet the center crease. Again, make those creases nice and sharp. Step 3. Triangular folds. Next, we're going to make some diagonal folds. Take the top corners and fold them down to meet the bottom edge, forming a triangle at the top. Repeat this step for both sides, creating a diamond shape. Step 4. Wings and finishing touches. Now it's time for the wings. Fold both sides down along the existing creases, aligning them with the bottom edge. This will give your paper airplane its wings. Finally, fold the entire plane in half along the original center crease to lock everything in place. Step 5. Testing and adjustments. All right, moment of truth. Head to an open space and give your paper airplane a test flight. Observe how it glides and make any necessary adjustments. You can experiment with the wing angles and make minor tweaks until you achieve the perfect flight. Step 6. Personalization. Tips. Before we wrap up, let's talk about personalization. Get creative with your paper airplane by adding some flair. You can decorate it with markers or even experiment with different paper colors. Make it uniquely yours. Conclusion. And there you have it, your ticket to paper airplane greatness. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun and nostalgic DIY projects. Share your paper airplane adventures in the comments below, and let me know if you have any other crafty ideas you'd like to see. Until next time, happy flying.